Hello, welcome to 3D Virtual Walkthrough tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the walkthrough. To move forward, you need to click the white dots on the floor. There's a compass at the upper left R. You can see which directions you are facing. Click the menu button to see wide range of exciting features. Press the ruler button to see the measurement of the space. Click the button again to close it. At the bottom, you'll see a triangle button called Narrate. The Narrate button will explain and give details of the property.
Wisdom Land is located in upscale district of East Lake. It's surrounded by two top universities, CCNU and WUT.
There's also a call button, so you can call someone regarding the space. You can also access the floor plan by clicking the map or layout button. Also, the glowing indicator is your location. There's also a 3D model of the room to interact with. There are also tags to look out for. Tags can be videos or pictures regarding the space. Here's an example of a video. To know more about the space, click the name on top to view more details. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoy the 3D virtual walkthrough.